Why do people dislike other people? Some people don't like other people just because they look different. I don't think that it is fair to judge someone by the way they look. Some people look very nice but they are mean or cruel. Some people look very ordinary but they are incredibly nice. I remember when I was in grad one, I saw a girl across the room. She had a mean look on her face. I thought to myself that she was probably not a very nice person. I stayed away from her and played with the other children. Then we had to play a game and the teacher said that we would pick partners for us. The teacher picked the girl with the mean face as my partner. I didn't think that the game would be much fun at all with a partner who seemed as mean as that girl. I, I walked up to her and said hello. The girl's face changed. She smiled at me and she began to talk to me. Her mean face disappeared. We had lots of fun playing the game. We looked at we looked a lot and enjoyed each other's company. That girl became my best friend. Now, when I look at her, I see what is inside her. Sometimes she doesn't smile, but I know what she is like. She is a kind and funny person. I have learned that you can't judge a book by its cover. It is not fair to dislike someone just because they don't look like you want them to look. You have to get to know a person. It was matter to me what color a person's skin is. It doesn't matter to me if they are short or tall, skinny or fat or happy or sad looking. I judge people by how they treat me and I try to treat people like I